everyone! Today we are on Route 39 West heading to Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania. And there's the big Hershey sign in plants to the right over there. And we are right at the Hersheypark area with all the attractions. And when you're going to Chocolate World, you just stay in the line for Hersheypark attractions. And right off of 39 is where we're getting off right now. So Chocolate World is a part of Hersheypark, but it's a separate attraction. And the good part about Chocolate World, well, there's so many good parts, is that it's a free thing that you can visit. And right around this corner, you're going to see a small brown sign to the left that says Chocolate World. And that's where you want to be, over in the left lane. The right lanes are for the stadium and actual the Hersheypark amusement park. So we're headed to the left to Chocolate World, and you kind of just want to stay to the left the whole way until you get into the Chocolate World parking lot. And here again, we're going to just keep kind of bearing to the left, and right up at this traffic light, it's the first traffic light right around that corner, you're going to turn left into park at Chocolate World. And the awesome thing is we're just coming to visit Chocolate World today, and it's a dreary day too, as you can tell, and you can see the big roller coasters to the right over at the amusement park. But the cool thing is if you're just coming for a little bit of time, you can come and park at the Chocolate World parking lot for up to 3 hours for free. And that's what we're doing today. We're just going to go and hang out at Chocolate World. And here's these cool Hershey Kiss lampposts, and you'll see them all around the Hershey area. And there's not even, it doesn't look like the ticket window is even open, so you might even be able to stay a little bit longer than 3 hours. I'm not sure, but I know they have 3 hours of free parking if you're just coming to visit Chocolate World. And right to the right is the Hershey's Kissmobile. It's an actual real vehicle that runs. And I'll just pull the camera over to the right to check that out. Isn't that cool? I love that thing. And we are all parked, and right here is the Hershey's Chocolate World. And inside there is the free factory tour, which we'll check out. And there's also paid things to do. So we'll show you all the activities to do inside Chocolate World. And here are the characters. You'll see these guys throughout Chocolatetown, throughout Hersheypark. And as you're walking into Chocolate World, here is a Hershey's S'mores and more. They have hot chocolate and s'mores. And this is the actual entrance to Hershey's Chocolate World. So before we go into Hershey's Chocolate World, I wanted to show you Chocolatetown. And all of these things around here are part of Chocolatetown. So you have Chocolate World, and then right here you have all these cute statues that you can, they're fun photo op. And then also in Chocolatetown, we're going to spin around here to the left. This is the entrance sign to Chocolatetown, and this is a good photo op. And right now they have these awesome pumpkins you can take pictures in front of. But you'll see part of Chocolatetown right straight ahead is the entrance to Hersheypark, and that's like the theme park. Inside Chocolatetown, they also have a Starbucks. There's the Chocolatier restaurant, which is a nice restaurant, and they have like chocolate themes. And there's the Hershey Supply Company. That's a gigantic gift shop. It's over 10,000 square feet or 10,000 square feet. But we'll take a look at all of these stores at a later date. But I just wanted to show you that there's a lot more in Chocolatetown. They also have Milton's ice cream parlor and a confectionery kitchen. But let's go check out Chocolate World. That's what we're here for today. So let's go explore. So when you walk in, it's pretty big. And you'll see there's tickets to the right. And we'll check out the map. There's a nice big welcome map. And they have everything that, all the activities that you can do in here. There's Unwrapped, create your own candy bar, Reese's Stuff Your Cup, and we'll take a look at each of these things. There's the chocolate factory tour, the candy machine, and there's tons of shopping in here also. So right when you walk into Chocolate World, right to the left, you're going to see this sign, Hershey's Unwrapped a chocolate tasting journey. And this is an interactive family theater. This is a separate ticket. It lasts about a half an hour, and you get to explore the five senses. You get a tasting kit, and you work with tasteologists. So that sounds really fun. The second thing we're going to talk about is Hershey Trolley Works. And you'll see these trolleys. This is a trolley tour, and they take you through the town of Hershey, and they give you some history. It's a live show with characters on the trolley, and they make it really fun. And right now they have a special holiday trolley for Halloween. You get candy, and it's not spooky, it's just family fun. So you can look online and check out all of the different trolley tours that they offer. And you board right outside of Chocolate World. Right now they have something fun. They have a trick-or-treat trail for kids, and this is for ages 12 and under, and you can trick-or-treat in the store. And right now the hours are 5 to 8:30 on Fridays, and then Saturdays and Sundays 12 to 8:30. And you can meet some characters and get some candy. So right to the right is where you can purchase tickets. You can purchase trolley tickets and all of the other adventures that happen inside Chocolate World. For example, there's the Reese's Stuff Your Cup. That's another thing we'll check out. But right up here, if you want to pause this, you can buy packages. So depending on what you want to see, you might be able to save some money by bundling your tickets together. And you can look online also for all the details. Now, continuing on, our next stop is going to be the Reese's Stuff Your Cup. So this requires a ticket, but if you're a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup fan, you are gonna probably want to do this because they give you a giant 1-pound Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and they put fresh peanut butter that's made right down the road at the Hershey's factory, and then you get to stuff it with whatever you want. And then they give you a giant box to take home your giant Reese's Peanut Butter Cup home. It's so cool. Now, right next to Stuff Your Cup is fresh baked Hershey's Big Cookies. And this place smells so delicious. I am like the ultimate cookie monster, so this was so hard to resist, but I did. But they have so many good cookies here, and it just smells amazing. Okay, right next door, the next ticketed event, if you would like to do this, is create your own candy bar. And you can dream up whatever candy bar you want to come up with, and you see it come to life. You choose your ingredients, you get to design a wrapper, and then you go on the computer and make your selections, and you can follow your creation being made on a conveyor belt. So that sounds really cool. And right here is where you check in, and they'll give you your hairnet and your apron. And this create your own candy bar experience takes about 45 minutes. All right, continuing our walkthrough of Chocolate World, we're gonna cut through here. Reese's Stuff Your Cup is right to the right, and we're just gonna walk through this Reese's Peanut Butter Cup hallway. And if you guys liked to collect the pressed pennies, right to the left is the Hershey's collectible pressed penny machine. So this is where you would get them if you like these. And my kids and I, we would do these all the time when they were little. They're fun. They're just neat to have. And we have a lot of them from places that we've been. Okay, the next adventure we come to is Hershey's Great Candy Expedition, which is a cinematic adventure. You'll be surrounded by huge screens, and there's lots of awesome special effects. It's a train-themed adventure, and you actually get to pick where the train will go. On your train journey, you'll get to visit places like the magical Kisses Valley or Jolly Rancher Junction, and I think you get some free candy. So it sounds like a really fun, cinematic, interactive experience. I bet you're surprised with how many things you can do inside Chocolate World. I, myself included, I used to think it was just the factory tour, and I didn't realize that there were all these other things that you could do here. So it's so much fun. And they also have a massive gift shop. Here's some pillows. They have plushes. They have tons and tons of really cool Hershey clothing. They have sweatshirts, t-shirts, sweatpants, socks. Here's some Halloween clothing and merchandise. I think this is so cute. I love this shirt. I don't know how much it costs, but here's all the characters. They're dressed up in their Halloween outfits. And let me see the price. $24.95. I don't have my reading glasses on. And then here's a bunch of Halloween candies and merchandise, and we'll look at them as we walk throughout the gift shop. But these are so cute. These all have the characters dressed in their Halloween costumes. And there's obviously tons and tons of chocolate. Now, right here amongst the gift shop items, you're going to see the next attraction, and this is the free attraction. It's the Chocolate Factory Tour, and this is so much fun. We'll link the complete factory tour ride in this video description because it's a really fun ride, and you can ride it as many times as you want. And at the end of the ride, they actually give you a free piece of chocolate. And I'm not gonna lie, we rode it 4 times because the ride's really fun, but we also really loved the chocolate that they gave us. So, you know, that's a bonus. After the ride, you get a piece of chocolate, and they have hand sanitizer stations too, so you can clean your hands before you eat. And this is yummy. Never heard of this, Reese's popcorn. And this is another thing you can do. You can create your own candy mix, and they have bags and buckets there. So that's a fun thing. That's an extra fee, obviously. Here's some ghost themed Kit Kats. A lot of really cool Halloween candies. And this is a cute little Kit Kat teddy bear. And over here, here's some more Halloween themed Kit Kats. Just tons and tons of candies. Like, you won't believe how many are here. And they're in every shape and size you can imagine. These are so cute. I love all this Halloween stuff. And they also have Harry Potter themed candies and merchandise, which I had no clue that they had Harry Potter stuff. So if you guys like Harry Potter and you like chocolate, this is the section for you. Here's some Harry Potter t-shirts and gift items. A lot of cool stuff. And then here's the stairs. When you exit the factory tour, you actually come down right here. That's where you exit. And throughout Chocolate World, you're going to come across these really cool photo ops. This is a giant milkshake. So if you want your picture next to a giant milkshake, here it is. But there's lots of other neat things around. They also have lots of food that you can get inside Chocolate World as well. And this section back here is called the food hall. And they have, you know, lots of different items. They have pizza, salads, sandwiches. They have giant soft pretzels. They have soups, kids' meals. A lot of cool things. And they also have adult beverages over here, which I did not know that they had that. So that's kind of neat. And if any of you have allergies, you can also talk to one of the workers here. They'll be happy to help you out with that. And this is cool. Here's Jolly Ranchers slushies and adult beverages. They have some neat Halloween fall themed drinks. They have Hershey Caramel Spike Cider, and this is a Reese's Skeleton cocktail you can get. I think that is so cool. I like that cup there. I think that's really festive. So there's a lot of stuff. They have obviously tons of desserts you can get as well. They have beer, they have wine. So a lot more here than what I thought for sure. And in the back here, they have lots of seating. So, you know, if you want to eat inside here, you can totally do that. There's plenty of seating. Or if you just want to sit down and take a break, this is a great place to do it. And all the way in the back here, they have more restrooms. They had some out in the front too. And this here, it looks like they're getting ready for the trick-or-treat trail later on today. We won't be here for it, but I think this is maybe where some of the characters are that you can come back and meet. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment there that's been here before. Also back here, they have a Hershey's milkshake area, and they have some cool fall Halloween themed milkshakes. And here's one. This is so cute. This is Ghost Toast Milkshake. That's adorable. And they have lots of milkshakes. They're just opening now. And here's the 50th anniversary cups. Here's another Halloween one, Witch's Brew Milkshake. That's adorable too. And there's lots more on the menu. And this is a really cool case. You can just take a look at all the milkshakes that they offer. I like this display case with all them spinning around. just pretty cool. Neat place here for sure. So much stuff to take in and look at. And right next to the food area, there's a photo pickup spot. So when they have characters, they also have the professional photographers. So if you want some photos, this is where you would pick them up. And now we're just continuing. There's more candy. This is a really cute Halloween display and lots more Halloween candies. Yeah, this is really cute. Here's some really giant bags of candy and buckets filled with candy for Halloween. And this is the candy that they were giving out today on the ride. It's a Hershey's caramel. Oh my gosh, it was so delicious. I loved it. It's salted caramel, sorry. But it was really good. And here's some giant Hershey Kisses. These are like literally pretty much the size of a person's head. That's how big they are. That's not even an exaggeration. And they just have tons and tons of stuff. And they even have baking things like cocoa powder. I actually am going to grab a thing of cocoa powder because they have the really big ones here that are pretty reasonable. There's a Reese's section. They have Jolly Ranchers. And over here they have tons of Twizzlers licorice. I love red licorice. Obviously they have every kind of Hershey candy, every kind of bag, sizes, hot cocoa, cold weather's coming. Hershey's hot cocoa sounds awesome. And then I bet you didn't know they had all these kinds of Hershey Kisses. Hazelnut, cafe mocha, strawberry, just, chocolate truffle. That sounds pretty good. And then here's giant Kit Kats. These are humongous. Here's gigantic packages of Jolly Ranchers. This is just a really super fun place. So I hope you enjoyed this tour and I hope it helped you just see what's in here. There's just so much to do and see in here. So I hope everybody has a very sweet day, pardon the pun, but it was appropriate. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.